everyone and welcome, and in today's video we're going to look at using don't to make negative response. Using don't to make negative response. So okozesa don't okwanukula. Okozesa don't okwanukula. So and this is the final video on using don't. Okay, let's start. Please note, don't can also be used to make a negative response. Response is like you talking or you're responding to a question being asked. Oyanukula ekibuuzo kiba kibuuzibwa. So don't can also be used to make a negative response. So stick around until we go into examples. Beerawo paka wetugenda mu example such that ongera okutegeera ki kyendogerako. So don't can also be used to make a negative response. And this in Luganda, don't ekozesebwa okwanukula ekibuuzibwa. So ekibuuzibwa is like you ask a question and you are replying. For example, I don't know. Do you know it? I don't know. So don't can also be used to make negative response. Ekozesebwa okwanukula ekibuuzibwa. Okay. At times, no is used before don't to emphasize the statement. At times, no is used before don't to emphasize the statement. What do I mean by this? At times, no is placed before don't to emphasize the statement. Olumu nedda eteekebwa maaso ga don't okukkaatiriza ensonga. Emphasizing is okukkaatiriza. So, at times no or at times no is used before don't or is placed before don't to emphasize the statement. So, olumu nedda eteekebwa maaso ga don't okukkaatiriza ensonga. Once again, olumu nedda no eteekebwa maaso ga don't okukkaatiriza ensonga. Okay, let's proceed. Examples of usage. Ebyokulabirako. So these are the examples. I don't know it. I don't know it. Here, if you can note, the pronoun or the subject is I. So I don't know it. Remember, we looked at pronouns. So I don't know it. In Luganda, can you guess what it's going to be? Okay, it is Inze sichimanyi. Inze sichimanyi. So this is like a response. Someone can ask you, do you know about it? I don't know it. I don't know it. Inze sichimanyi. So we've used don't to give a reply. Nze sichimanyi. Example 2. We don't want to go. This is a response. We don't want to go. We don't want to go. And this in Luganda is fe tetwagala kugenda. Fe tetwagala kugenda. So it might be a question like, do you want to go? We don't want to go. You're replying, and here we've used don't. We don't want to go. Fe tetwagala kugenda. Example 3. No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. A point to note here, you can see that no is placed before the don't to emphasize the statement. No, I don't like it. And this in Luganda, it's going to be nedda inze sikyagala. Nedda inze sikyagala. Hope you remember, we said at times no is placed before don't to emphasize the statement. So, no, I don't like it. Nedda inze sikyagala. Okay, let's go to the next example. No, please, don't come. No, please, don't come. So no is also placed before the don't. So no, please, don't come, such that you emphasize what you're trying to mean. No, please, don't come. And this in Luganda is nedda bambi tojja. Nedda bambi tojja. So no, please don't come is nedda bambi because of please tojja. Another example. They do not eat pizza. They do not eat pizza. And this in Luganda is bo tebalya pizza because of they. Bo tebalya pizza. They do not eat pizza. Bo tebalya pizza. Okay, let's go to the next example. I don't play tennis. I don't play tennis. And what's the subject here? The subject is I. And what's the verb? The verb is play. And what's the object? Tennis. So we looked at subject, verb, and object in sentences. You can review my video about subject, object, and verb. So I don't play tennis. This in Luganda, it's going to be Inze sizanya tennis. Inze sizanya tennis. I don't play tennis is Inze sizanya tennis. I, Inze, don't play, sizanya tennis. Inze sizanya tennis. Okay, thanks very much for watching that video. We shall continue on in the next video. Bye bye. Wait about.